So we will start with one more homologous series, that is cycloalkane. Cycloalkane. So I hope this one you have understood this. So we will start with one more homologous series, that is cycloalkanes. Okay. Cyclo means, I told you during the when I was explaining about the catenation, I told you about straight chain, branched chain, and closed chain. This is one of the closed chain hydrocarbon. Cycloalkane is a closed chain hydrocarbon. Cyclo refers to the closed chain. Cyclo means what? Closed chain hydrocarbon. And alkane refers to, alkane means, you know it, Ane. Here the first member is cyclopropane. Cyclopropane is the first member. At least 3 carbons should be there to form a cyclic catenation or cyclic manner arrangement. So 3 cyclopropane, 3 carbon. So prop means how much? Prop means, you know already, prop means 3. Ane means single bond. So here the general formula is CnH2n. Remember, you will have confusion. CnH2n. C3H2 into 3, so it becomes C3H6. See. So C3H is a molecular formula. This is molecular formula. And we will write the structure for this. Structure is bರ್ತದೆ. So 3 carbon ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇತರ 4 carbon, 3 carbon and 6 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here, here 1 hydrogen, and here 1 hydrogen. 6 hydrogen will be there. See. Then one more will be cyclopentane will be. Cyclobutane. CnH2n. See, but means how much? 4. So but means 4. So C4H8. So C4 means how much? See, C4 carbon 4 carbon are there. The arrangement will be like this. This arrangement ಇರ್ತದೆ. So how many hydrogens? 8 hydrogen are there. Like this arrangement will be there. This is structural formula for cyclobutane. Cyclopentane. If you take cyclopentane will be like this. CnH2n, C5H2 into 5. So it becomes C5H10. This is molecular formula. How will be the structure? So I have to write 4. It's like this. Carbon you should write like this. See here. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms for that. So for 1 carbon atom, 2 hydrogen should be placed like this. So this is about the cyclopentane. I hope you have understood this. And next one is cyclohexane. Remember this, cyclohexane. So hex means 6. So Cn H2n. C6H2 into 6. So C6H12. So this is, so for this we have to write the structure. 6 carbon. 6 carbon. So this is how we have to represent the carbon atom. For every carbon atom, 2 hydrogen should be placed. 2 hydrogen should be placed. So 2 hydrogen should be placed. See, C6H12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For every carbon, see here, 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, if we check this, we get 8 electrons around the carbon atom. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt in the cyclo alkane, you can ask now. Otherwise, we will move to the next. I didn't tell you about one more property of carbon atom that I will tell you now. So we'll finish one more functional, few more type of homologous series are there that we will learn. After that, we will see the isomerism. If you have any doubt, please ask now, raise your hands. Otherwise, we will move to the next series. Write it down. Write it down. Cyclopentane, cyclohexane. Write it down. I hope you have written it. I'll rub this. So next is aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon. The first member of this series is benzene. It is given in the textbook. The benzene is the first member. So here there is no any general formula. General formula illa illi. So no general formula. It is a, see, this is a aromatic hydrocarbon. The benzene is the first member. Aromatic hydrocarbon means the hydrocarbon which have a unique fragrance. Aroma means fragrance. Aromatic hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon which have a unique fragrance, that is called as aromatic hydrocarbon. The first member of aromatic hydrocarbon is C6H6. C6H6 is the first member. So I'll write the structural formula for this. See here. So here in between double bond, in between 2 carbon atoms there is a double bond. So in between 2 carbon atoms, see, alternatively double bond will be there. So all carbon will have one hydrogen. All the carbon will have one hydrogen. Benzene is a compound which is present in liquid state. See here. So C6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 carbons and hydrogen 6 are there. And in between carbon there is a alternatively double bond is there. So this is the straight chain hydrocarbon which is joined. The straight chain hydrocarbon, when it is joined in a circle, the structure will come. The first member of the aromatic hydrocarbon is the benzene. Understood? So this is the first member. So all the other hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons, all other aromatic hydrocarbons are the derivatives of benzene. They are formed from benzene. They are formed from benzene. So if we take, see here, one of the hydrogen is displaced by carbon. You think that, and this carbon will bond with other three hydrogen. Understood? That is. So then it is called. The name is different now. This structure. See, this structure is called with a different name. Say CH3 here H. This is one of the derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon, and this is called as toluene. When one of the hydrogen from the benzene is replaced by CH3 group, methyl group, then CH3 group, when it is added, this benzene becomes toluene with changing its structure. When the structural changes happens, the property also changes. Property of the benzene turns to property of toluene. It changes like this. You know about mothball. Rubber gulige anta kariteve ನಾವು. Mothball is nothing but naphthalene balls. The naphthalene ball again, that is also one of the derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon. So all this is given in the textbook. Go through the textbook and learn it. So if I have any doubt regarding the aromatic hydrocarbon, ask, otherwise we will move to the next topic. So I will take one more 10 minutes and we will stop the class. Write it down. Yeah, I hope you have written this. So we'll see the one more important part of the lesson, that is functional group. So functional group means what? So it is a group of atom or element which provides special property to hydrocarbons or organic compounds. Hydrocarbons. So what is functional group? It is a group of atom or element which provides a special character to the hydrocarbon. Say I am going to write one hydrocarbon over here. So I am going to write ethane. So ethane means what? So ethane means C2H6. C2H6. The molecular formula. If I write the structure for this, it is like this. You know it already. This is the one of the member of. This is the one of the member of alkane. Alkane. It's a member of alkane. So this is the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. So here think that this hydrogen will be replaced by OH group. This hydrogen is replaced by OH group. When this hydrogen, one of the hydrogen will be replaced. This hydrogen will be replaced by, you think that OH group. OH group. So this is not hydroxide. Remember, it's not an hydroxide. So it is not an hydroxide. Remember, OH is alcohol. Alcohol. Functional group is alcohol. Here, when OH is added over here, say this is functional group. Functional group. Now you just go through the definition. A group of atom or element which provides special character to hydrocarbon. This is the original hydrocarbon. Which contains C2H6. One of the hydrogen is replaced by OH. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by OH, then the property of this ethane property will change to alcohol property, and this compound now it is called as ethanol. We call it as ethanol. See, eth means how much? Eth means we have two carbon atom. When OH group is added, we use suffix called as OL. So I'll write it over here. Say functional group. So functional group. First one is alcohol. You write alcohol. For alcohol, we use group here. Alcohol we use the suffix. We use suffix OL. Understood? The name of functional group. Name of functional group is alcohol. Name of functional group is alcohol, and the suffix used for alcohol is OH, and the functional group is OH. See here. So when I told you, so one more example I'll give. So you will have a clear-cut idea about how to write the molecular formula and structural formula. See here, one more example I'll give. So propanol. So in the exam they give the name like this. You have to write the structural and molecular formula for this. You know prop means how much? Prop means 3. Prop means 3 carbons. You have to write the 3 carbons. 3 carbons should be written. Propanol. So single bond between the carbon atom. So suffix. So prefix is prop. That's why 3 carbon atom. Here suffix is OL. When OL suffix is there, you should understand that the functional group is, the name of the functional group is alcohol. When OH is there, name of the functional group is alcohol, and the suffix used is OL, and the functional group is OH. When OH is added to this here, what happens to this? So when OH is added over here. So propanol, prop means 3. Prop means 3 carbon atom, and one OH is added. When OH is added to this, it becomes propanol. Propanol it becomes. So propanol it becomes. See, this is It's given in your textbook. Just to go through that. See, alcohol. So one more functional group is carboxylic acid group. Carboxylic acid group. We use suffix. Suffix we use is oic acid. The suffix used is oic acid, and the functional group is COOH. Like this it is. So one more you write. Here, this molecular formula. Molecular formula I didn't write. C3 are there. H how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 is there. OH. This is molecular formula. Or we can write like this also. CH3, CH2, and CH2OH. Like this also you can write, and this is called as propanol. 3 carbon are there. Prop. So OH is there. That's why it becomes a propanol. I hope you are getting my point. So you only write now butanol. Write butanol. Butanol you write. So when you finish it, you just raise your hands. Butanol. So but means how much? 4. So OL means alcohol group, and suffix used for alcohol is OL, and the group is dash bond OH. Right or no? For butanol, you have to write the molecular formula and structural formula for this. Anybody wrote? Okay, Pratham Bhatt. Okay, Pratham, show me switch on your video and show me the display your answer. Pratham Bhatt, display your answer. Switch on your video and display your answer.
Switch it on.
Display your answer. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ, ಸೀದಾ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದು C4H10 ಅಂತ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಎನಿಬಡಿ? Arun Kumar, show me your answer. So butanol. So but means how much? But means 4. 4 carbon you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom you have to write. 4 carbon atom, and between that single bond, 4 carbon atom, and put all the hydrogen over here. So all hydrogen over here, like this, and in the last hydrogen, in place of hydrogen you have to write OH, and this becomes CH2, CH2OH. This is the molecular formula for what? Butanol. Like this, this is the one of the member of the which functional group? Alcohol functional group. Like this, you have to write it. So other functional group we'll see in the next class. I hope you have understood this concept. If you have any doubt regarding any type of concept in this chapter, please contact me through WhatsApp, or you can directly call me. Is it clear? I hope so this session you have understood the session and content. So thank you very much, and we'll meet in the next class tomorrow. Thank you.